Did you know that nearly 4 in every 1,000 newborns is diagnosed with cerebral palsy, and about 10,000 babies in the US will develop that disability each year? The cost to care for a person with cerebral palsy over the course of their lifetime can be several $millions, making cerebral palsy the second most expensive developmental disability that exists. What many people don't know is that cerebral palsy is often the result of doctor or hospital malpractice. This can occur during a pregnancy, like when a doctor mismanages a high-risk condition like an incompetent cervix or a fetal infection, and it can happen during the labor and delivery process because of lack of oxygen to the child during birth, because the doctor fails to perform a cesarean section or to recognize the signs of fetal distress. This was the case with a client of ours who we'll call Alicia. Unfortunately, Alicia had a history of miscarriages, and when she became pregnant again, she did everything she had to do as a patient to make sure that she'd have a healthy and normal pregnancy. Unfortunately, when she started showing signs that her cervix was dilating during the second trimester of her pregnancy, her doctor failed to perform a simple procedure called a cerclage, where a stitch is placed in the cervix, which then allows the pregnancy to go through to term and prevent a premature delivery. Unfortunately, because of the doctor's negligence, Alicia's baby was born severely premature. She had a massive brain bleed that ended up causing cerebral palsy and lifetime neurological problems. These problems left her unable to walk normally or to learn or function normally, which meant a future where she would not be able to take care of herself. That's when we came in. We fought for Alicia and we fought for her child, and through our advocacy, we were able to obtain a multi-million-dollar settlement, in this case, above and beyond all the insurance coverage that was available, so that her baby's future medical care and needs could be taken care of. We've recovered hundreds of millions of dollars from doctors and healthcare providers on behalf of injured clients just like Alicia. My name is Bonina, and I and the birth injury attorneys on our team are ready, willing, and able to face the doctors and the hospitals and their insurers in court and hold them accountable for the serious injuries and wrongful deaths caused by their medical negligence. In the case we just discussed, we worked with obstetrical experts and pediatric neurologists to show that the doctor and her group's neglect was responsible for Alicia's daughter's injuries. And in so doing, we made sure to put Alicia in a position where she could take care of her daughter for the rest of her life. Fighting your claim will not just involve fighting the doctor who injured you, but their hospitals and their insurance companies. And trust me, the insurance company is not on your side, and they have one goal: to defeat your claim and limit the amount of compensation they have to pay you. They're going to have an army of pricey lawyers trying to limit your claim and defeat your claim, and that is when you need representation. If your child is suffering from cerebral palsy as a result of medical negligence, call us for a free consultation so we can explain your options and help you decide the best course of action for you and for your child. Plus, when you work with our firm, there's no out-of-pocket expenses to you. We work with you on a contingency fee basis, which means that if we don't win your case, we don't receive a penny. Don't try and fight your case on your own. Schedule a time to meet with us today.